Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Today we do have the Nike Pandas that we bought from AliExpress for $59. We're gonna go ahead and do this open box review. Alright guys, so the first thing I noticed when I opened up the packaging box and opened it is that the Nike box looks legit. Everything looks good. All the lettering there looks good. So far I cannot tell if these are fake by the box, not yet. So we're gonna go ahead and open these up. So here we have the right shoe, and wow, looking at these look amazing. These are replicas from AliExpress. You kind of see some glue right there on the seams, but nothing you can't really tell when it's on the foot. Just this ID tag here from China. Not sure what this is, but so far this shoe looks great. Let's look at the Nike sign. Nike sign looks great. Inside of the shoe, Nike sign looks great. Inside, the size, the Nike sign looks good. Everything looks good from the inside. And on the back, the Nike sign looks great. All right, that's the right shoe. Let's go ahead and look at the left shoe. This is the front here. So far, these shoes look amazing. For $59, you cannot beat this deal. I cannot tell the difference. They look real to me at this moment. So I'm excited that we got these and they look great. All right, guys, so there goes the Pandas there. I'll go ahead and leave a link on the description below. And if you like our videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel for new open box reviews.